don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. Not that I have a problem with funny stuff, especially if you really like the person. My name is Juliet, and it is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday.
So I get to school, only everyone's a zombie.
And on my birthday, too!
There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn.
Now we get to the part where I kick his ass.
She's brutal. She's merciless. She's deadly. When the zombie apocalypse begins,
One truth becomes...
show no mercy.
I'm gonna F you up!
I'm a mother freaking zombie.
Your turn, you whiny MySpace-haired jerk!
Cocky little whore, I like that.
Bring it on, douchebag!
To the depths of hell! What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
How do you know that?